Alrighty, folks, welcome. So, little story here. My monitor broke down, so I have to trade with just one screen, which is my main laptop, and I'll have to wait until I resolve the issue with my monitor, or just simply buy a new computer and monitor. Let me know if you have any suggestions for a great computer or monitor out there that I can look at. Definitely taking suggestions. Alright, so right to it. Not used to trading with just one screen, but here we are. I'm trying to make it work. This is why I haven't traded all week. Well, it's barely Tuesday, right? But today we traded BNTC. BNTC has a free float 3.98 million, which is really low. Perfect. Volume is highly relative. Volume for today, 59.75 million. Average volume for the 3-month period is 380.24 thousand. And kind of was having breakfast while this was happening, but I noticed the trend was looking mighty sexy, and I was listening, of course, to The Weeknd, favorite artist there. And initially I wanted to get into this trade at 588. Got there just a little too late to do so. A little too late there. And literally wanted to get in, but it left without me. So whatever, what are you gonna do, right? Next area to break was 596. And it just literally popped from there, breaking above VWAP, and was gonna test this 617 area. So I knew, okay, it's too extended right now on the 5-minute and on the 1-minute. So possibly a pullback towards 588 or 596. But I knew, okay, if it pulls back all the way to 588, that'll be kind of aggressive sell-off, right? So I was thinking this thing's looking pretty strong. There's an increase in volume. Possibly we don't have to wait for a pullback. If it simply just goes Rambo and breaks above 617. And we're thinking, okay, there's resistance there, and it would be great if it taps around 617 and then pulls back just a little bit, and then we add for that break, and you'll see what I mean right here. So there I am typing 617. I'm thinking already, where would I put my stop loss if I enter at 617? So here we are, still looking at the trade. It's kind of testing to see where I would enter, and I like this pattern here. It looks like a bear flag, and definitely a bullish pattern there. Did I say bear flag? I meant bull flag. Definitely a bull flag, bullish pattern there. And it's holding the VWAP, or at least that area. There's bid support at 605, so I'm trying to enter at 615 for the break of these high candles, and also the break above 617. So here we are. It's pulling back a little bit. It holds the $6. I'm still looking at things. It holds the $6. So okay, perfect. My stop loss would be underneath that 601 as of the moment, right? Because it can still downtrend a little more. And you notice it kind of does hold it. And boom, as soon as I see it squeeze up a little more, I went ahead and threw out my order 615. Right on time this time. The train did not leave without me. Well, the train did not leave without us there. And immediately it did squeeze right away. And this thing was strong. So there it goes up a little higher. I know that there's going to be resistance up here around 645, which is the next resistance pivot there. But it breaks above it by 5 cents, and it reaches the $0.50 at 650. Our take profit is at 652, just 2 cents above that. Anyway, okay, this thing's gonna, it's most likely gonna have us take our profit. If not, it's fine. Sometimes they'll go up and then just flash down. So there we are, still being patient. And I was actually having breakfast while this was happening. I know that there's bid support around 635 there, and then there's resistance around 634, 643, sorry, and 644. So it's around that area there, and it keeps moving around. 645 resistance there, just right where our line is at. And there's that bid support at 635. 640 now is resistance as well. And then it tested 645 once again. And right here, I'll just let it play out. So fortunately, since it's only one screen, my time and sales are up there. And not to worry, I'm gonna figure this thing out so I can have my 2 monitors back. So it's really difficult trying to trade with just one monitor. And there's that 650 resistance now, the wall. That's the top of this candle. Also 645, a lot of sellers there. 638 now, the bid support has moved up a little bit, which is good. Now it's like just kind of wrestling there within this little area. Thinking it's either gonna get exhausted and trend down, or it's gonna squeeze and it's close. Right, that's what happened. Overall good trade. Please let me know if it makes sense. And thanks folks for tuning in. And actually, let's see, where is this thing at now? This thing freaking went all the way up there to 874. So we literally only got a little bite of that move, and look at this monstrous move. But it's okay. No, there's no need to feel FOMO. Honestly, as long as you stick to your strategy, you should be fine. That's where you'll find consistency. So if I modify the strategy one day and then the next day modify it again, it's just gonna go in circles and cause headaches. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and any questions, comments, let me know below. Bye.